Who else likes to start their Halloween projects early? Well, I can say I definitely am. These are going to be Halloween hidden pockets with paper clips in them. These are from Papercraft Socials with Vintage Brush Studios. I'm Christy with Christy E Creations, a mixed media artist. So let's just jump in. First thing I always do is separate everything. So anyway, let's move everything. I found another hidden couple pieces. I wonder if I have more than 2 of those. Oh well. I have 2. Yeah, there's 3 bats there. So you have 3 of these and 3 of these, and we're going to work with these first with the paper clips on them. So these are to make it a little more challenging to see. There's a line here and here. We're going to be folding on both lines. Towards the white, not towards the color. There's that. Sometimes I will pre-glue this section I'm folding right now, the bottom half. That's the only section we glue on this unit before I go forward. But this time I'm just folding everything and going, and then worrying about gluing. These do use mini paper clips, so unless you buy a kit that comes with them, you will have to have the mini paper clips on hand. Okay, like so. So now I'm just going to grab a glue stick. We're not gluing this one down, we're just gluing this bottom one with no paper clip down. That makes for no white paper showing when we add the paper clips and everything else. And we're going to slide a paper clip on top as we go. There we have them. Now these 3 pieces, as I set to the side, we're going to, you see there's fold lines on them, we're going to fold those and decide which ones we're putting these on. If I'm teaching a class, I normally tell y'all to make all these decisions while everyone's separating, because it will go a little quicker. But since I'm not in a class, I didn't do that. Alrighty, filling this one here, this one here, that leaves this one here. Now I'm going to make it where it has hidden pockets in it. You do not. If you're not doing hidden pockets, just glue them all down. If you're doing hidden pockets, depending on which side you want to do it on, glue the opposite side. Now, before I glue that down, I was going to let y'all know something. In this crease, I will add some extra glue to help it stay up a little better over time. You just push this and the paper clip lined into the middle. You can do the edge if you prefer. There's so many options. Like, I'm not quite where I wanted to be, but that's okay. It's going to be down anyway. That's one. And you're going to do this for all 3. That is 2. Now round 3. And there we go. Now then, I'm going to put that pen back in my liquid glue for a minute. Okay. So now we have 6 pockets that we need to work with, 3 of each size. I'm going to show you what to do, then I'm going to pause this so you don't have to watch me fold them all. You're going to fold every purple into the back on all 6 of these. So it looks like that. I'll be back in a minute. And I'm back. So, y'all did not have to watch me fold all 6 of those. So we have 3 big and 3 little. We're going to work with our little ones first. We're going to decide what palette we want where. I think I'm going to do that. So you have an option to put them this way, or this way. I'm going to be putting all of them across that way, and you'll find out here in a few minutes why. But you do you, because every one of these need to be different. So I'm just using a tape runner. The double-sided tape I also have on my list is a great option. But I'm trying to make this so y'all don't have to wait for glue to dry. Speaking of glue, I need to put a glue cap on. So if I run out of double-sided tape, I'll just switch over to my tape runner. But with my my double-sided tape, if I run out of tape runner, I'll use that. But with my double-sided tape, I will also add some liquid glue, so it takes a little longer to do. So I'm trying to stick to this right here. Okay, now we got these 3 finished on the front. We're going to flip over and do the exact same thing on the back. Decide where you want to put what. And then this one's I'm just going to put straight in the middle here. I did a boo-boo and got glue off a little. That's one reason I like using double-sided tape or tape runner. Glue stick I would have to wait to dry and redo. We're just going to smack that right there. Well, I can tell you now I'm going to have to research some thin Halloween ribbon to add to the tags. But we can easily come back and get the rest of these done. And I'm going to add a clip there because that spot was not wanting to quite hold right that second. So I can give it a little bit more stability. Okay. Since we're on the back, I'm going to start on the back. First off, I have other plans for the bats, so I'm going to set those to the side. You have a witch's hat, a pumpkin, and a cauldron. And I think I'm going to go with that wrap. And I'm just going to glue these flat on down. Nothing more. I'm off screen, but I'm just running a glue stick all the way across. just going to drop it where I want it on all 3 of these projects. I am personally working on a silicone mat. If you don't have a silicone mat, you can use foil, parchment paper, or something plastic to add your glue to. It makes it a little easier to pick it up and drop it on your project. So we're going to flip over. So I'm going to take a second to talk about these, the bats, and this right here. So what I want to do is make a triple tag where I'll hole punch all 3 of these and like so, and then rub some ribbon across them. So those are my plans for those, so I had to do that later. Before we add the little decor to the front, you have your cards. You just need to fold those. Okay, you have these 3 little ones. I want to just put these across the front somewhere. Normally these here I'd put right across the bottom, but I'm planning on using those elsewhere this time. I'm just cheating and running it straight across that way instead of laying it down on paper and waiting for it to glue. Get the glue all over it, and the table and my mat as well. That really does need cleaning. Okay. Air conditioner just kicked off and our heater just kicked on. I need to go turn that off. Anyway, that is off topic. There we go. Now we have it decorated. I just need to find some ribbons. And let's put tags in one of these. So I'm going to put the sometimes if they don't want to go in, I'll take my bone creaser and just open it up a little bit more. There we go. Maybe stick that one there. And this one here. And then you can figure it all out how you want your things to go. Thank y'all for joining me. I hope y'all had fun watching this. I will see y'all next time. Bye, everybody.